Hello my dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Miss Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start one new topic of chapter 2. Today we will discuss about addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, now let us start. Let us see how can we add and subtract the fractions. Here we have to add 5 by 6 and 1 by 3. So first of all we have to write it like this, 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Okay, here we are having two fractions, 5 by 6 and 1 by 3, and we want to add. Here beta, first of all we have to check that denominators are equal or not. Okay, so here you can see denominators are not same. Okay, so we need to find LCM of the denominators. But if suppose we are having 5 by 6 and 2 by 6, then here both the denominators are same, then no need to find out the LCM. Then we can add directly, means here 6. So here in the answer also we will write 6 as it is, as denominator, and add only numerators. So 5 and 2 7, so 7 by 6 will be answer. Okay, but here denominators are not same, so here we need to find out the LCM. और यहाँ हमने LCM क्यों नहीं find किया बेटा? Because here 6 and 6, if we find the LCM of 6 and 6, then we get only 6. So here no need to find out the LCM if denominators are given same. Okay, but here we need to find out the LCM of 6 and 3. Okay, so now here 6 and 3 both are divisible by 3. 3 2 jar 6, 3 1 jar 3. Here we can write 2 1 jar, and here 1 as it is. So LCM will be 3 multiply 2. 3 2 jar 6. So now here we will write 6. And now let us see this first fraction. Here LCM is written. We have to divide this LCM with the denominator of the first fraction. So 6 1 jar 6, we get 1, and we have to multiply this one with the numerator. So 1 5 jar 5. Now here sign of addition. Now again we have to divide this with the denominator of this fraction. So here we will get 2. Okay, and here we have to multiply this with the numerator. So 2 1 jar 2. So 5 and 2 7. 7 by 6 will be our answer. Okay, but here beta, you can see 7 by 6 is an improper fraction. It's not proper. Okay, so we can convert it into mixed fraction, and you know very well that how can we convert it? Yes, here we need to divide this 7 with 6. 6 1 jar 6, and here remainder is 1. So now we have to write according to Q R D. So here what is Q? What is quotient? 1. What is remainder? 1. And what is this divisor, or you can say this denominator? Okay, so here 1 and 1 by 6 is our answer. Okay, now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to add 5 4 by 9 and 2 and 3 by 15. Okay, so here beta, 1 is whole number, 1 is proper fraction, and 1 is mixed fraction. Okay, so how can we add these? We have to add these also like first question. Okay, but here we are having 5. So first we will convert it into fraction. Okay, first we will write it as a fraction. And how can we write it? First we will write it like this, 5 by 1, or you can write here, means 5 by 1, because 5 or 5 by 1 both are same. 5 by 1 means 5 is divided with 1. Okay, 5 is divided with 1, and when we divide 5 with 1, then we get 5. So we can write 5 by 1. If we are having only here 7, then we can write 7 by 1. Okay, not 7 by 2, not 7 by 3, only 7 by 1. Okay, if we will write 7 by 2, 7 by 3, then it will be wrong, because only by dividing with 1 we get 7, not by these. Okay, so here we can write only 1. Now 4 by 9 as it is. Now here we are having mixed fraction, so here we need to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, and you know very well that how can we convert it into improper fraction? Yes beta, here we have to multiply this whole number part with the denominator. So 2 multiply with 15 and then add the numerator, and as a denominator we have to write this denominator as it is. So 15 2 are 30 plus 3. Okay, so here 33 by 15 we will get. So here we will write 33 by 15. Okay, and now we have to add, and here you can see beta, here we are having 1, 9, 15 as denominator. So denominators are not same, so here also we need to find out the LCM. So here we will find out the LCM of 1, 9 and 15, but here if we will not write 1, then also our answer will be same. So here we can write only 9 and 15. Now let us find the LCM. 3 3 are 9, 3 5 are 15, 3 1 are 3 and 5 as it is. Here we will write 5. Here we have to write only prime numbers, okay, which are having only 2 factors, 1 and itself. 1 as it is, and here 5 1 are 5. Now LCM. LCM will be product of these. So 3 multiply 5. 3 3 are 9, 9 5 are 45. So 45 is the LCM. Now here let us write 45. Okay. Now beta, we have to divide this 45 with this one, and when we divide any number with 1, then we will get the same answer. Okay, same number. So here we have to multiply this quotient with the numerator. So we have to multiply this 45 with 5. 5 5 are 25. 2 will be carry. 5 4 are 20. 20 and 2 22. Plus now we have to divide this, means we have to divide with the denominator, and then the result will be multiply with the numerator. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर से हमें मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करना है, देन जो रिजल्ट आए उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है किससे? विद द न्यूमरेटर. सो हियर वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 45 विद द 9, सो वी विल गेट 5. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस विद द न्यूमरेटर. सो 5 4 are 20. Now again same procedure, we have to divide this with the denominator of this third fraction. So when we divide 45 with 15, we get 3. Okay, now we have to multiply this 3 with the 33 with the numerator. Okay, and 33 multiply 3 will give us 99. Okay, now we have to add these. Okay, so here beta 5 0 and 9 at one's place. So 5 and 9 14. 1 will be carry. So here 9 and 2 11. 11 and 2 13. 13 and 1 14. 1 will be carry. So here 2 and 1 3. So we get 344. Now here as a denominator we are having 45. Now we get 344 by 45 as answer, and it's an improper fraction. So here we need to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, but before converting it into mixed fraction, let us check that there is any common factor of these, but there is no common factor beta of these except 1. Okay, only 1 is common factor of both, and but we cannot cancel with 1, because if we divide with 1 the numerator and the denominator, we will get the same answer. Okay, so no need to divide with 1. So now let us convert it into mixed fraction. So now we need to divide this 344 with 45. After dividing, we get 7 as quotient, 29 as remainder. Okay, so now we have to write here answer as Q R D. Q is quotient, R is remainder, D is denominator. Okay, so here beta we will write quotient, then remainder, and then this denominator. So 7 and 29 by 45 is our answer. Now students, let us see how can we subtract the fractions, and like addition of fractions we have to subtract also. Here we have to subtract this 5 minus 3 by 7 is given. So here beta 5 is a whole number and 3 by 7 is a fraction. So first we need to convert this whole number also into fraction. Okay, so how can we write it? 5 by 1 minus 3 by 7. 5 by 1 means 5 is divided with 1, and when we divide 5 with 1 then we get 5. So 5 or 5 by 1 both are same. Now beta we have to check the denominators, and here denominators are not same. Okay, so here we need to find out the LCM, but here 1 and 7, only 1 and 7, so LCM will be 7. Okay, so here we will write 7. Now what we will do, डिनोमिनेटर से हमें एलसीएम को क्या करना है, डिवाइड, और न्यूमिनेटर से क्या करना है, फिर रिजल्ट को मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, सो लेट अस पुट दिस साइन. So now beta we have to divide this LCM with the denominator of the first fraction. So here we will get 7 after division. Now we have to multiply this 7 with the numerator of this fraction. So 7 5 jar 35. Then put the symbol of this subtraction. Minus. Now we have to divide this 7 with this 7. So here we will get 1. Now we have to multiply this 1 with the numerator. Okay. So 1 3 jar 3. Now we have to subtract this 3 from 35. So 35 minus 3 will give us 32. 32 by 7. And 32 by 7 is an improper fraction. So here we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So let us divide 32 with 7. Okay, and now think about the table of 7. 7 4 jar 28, 7 5 jar 35 is greater than 32. So we will write here 4. 7 4 jar 28. 12 minus 8 4, and here 0. Okay, our remainder should be smaller, always should be smaller than the divisor. So now Q R D, according to it we will write the answer. So here quotient is 4 and remainder also is 4, and this divisor, or we can say denominator, is 7. So 4 and 4 by 7 is our answer. Now let us see this also. Here we are having 8 and 3 by 5 minus 5 and 2 by 3. Here we are having both the mixed fractions. Okay, and we have to subtract. So first we have to convert these into improper fraction. Okay, so now let us convert. Here 8 and 3 by 5. So we have to multiply this 8 with 5, means whole number part with the denominator, then add numerator. Okay, so 8 5 are 40, 40 and 3, 43 by 5, minus. Now 5 multiply 3, 5 3 are 15, then add numerator. So 5 3 are 15, 15 and 2 17, 17 by 3. Now we are having 5 and 3 as denominator. So we have to find the LCM of 5 and 3. Okay, here 3, 5 as it is, and 3 1 jar 3. Now here we will write 5, 5 1 jar 5, here 5. So LCM will be product of these. 3 multiply 5 will give us 15. Okay, so like this. This also we have to solve. So here beta, write here 15. Okay, now solve it. First we have to divide this 15 with 5 with denominator of the first fraction. So here we will get 3 after dividing. Okay. Now 3, and we have to multiply this 3 with 43. So here we will get 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So here we will get 129. Now here we have to divide this 15 with the denominator of the second fraction. So here 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. Now we have to multiply this 5 with the numerator of the second fraction. So 17 5s are 85. So here we will get 85. Now subtract 9 minus 5 4 and 12 minus 8 4, and here 0 and here 15. So we will get 44 by 15. Okay, and here you can see 44 by 15 is an improper fraction. So here also we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So now let us divide this also. Here 44 and here 15. Okay, now think about the table of 15. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45. 45 is greater than 44. So we will write here 2. So 15 2s are 30, and here 4 and here 1. So now according to Q R D, we will write our answer, and here quotient is 2, remainder is 14, and this divisor is 15. So here quotient is 2, remainder is 14, and this divisor, or you can say this denominator, is 15. So 2 and 14 by 15 is our answer. So like this we have to subtract the fractions.